Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into the video. Today we're going to be making Cheeto mozzarella sticks. We're going to be having the Chipotle Ranch and the original. I have the two different types because some of the people in my family don't like spicy, so I got some original so they can enjoy it with us. We also have all the cheese sticks, and they're just regular string cheese sticks that you can get from any grocery store. Eggs. We're going to have flour and then oil to fry them, and then we're going to chop them up. We're going to get the oil in my electric skillet, and I'm going to set the skillet for 300. I don't want it too hot where it's going to burn them, but at the same time I want it to be where they're good and hot where it actually cook right. Should be enough. Okay, now I got my oil heating up. I'm going to get the flour in a bowl. I'm just going to put some and go from there. And then eggs, I'm going to go with 8. I think 8 would be good. And then once we get them in the bowl, we're going to beat them and get them ready. Okay, now I'm going to whisk these eggs and get them all mixed together.
That whisk action though.
I got everything else ready, heating up and all that, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the Cheetos. I'm going to do the regular ones first. Get these chopped up. Now we're going to do the spicy ones. Everything laid out, so now we're going to start getting them all mixed up. I'm going to put it in the flour, then in the egg, back into the flour, the egg, and then into the Cheetos. And it looks good already. This is the last one for the original ones. We got these ready, so we're going to drop them in. I'm going to let them cook for a few on this side, and then I'm going to flip. We got the hot ones. They only take just a couple, maybe a minute and a half to cook. It don't take them no time at all. That cheese will start melting fast. So you really have to keep an eye on them. This is my first time ever trying to make these, but I've seen all kind of videos with them, so hey, I was like, I want to try to make them too. Okay. Now the spicy ones are ready. I'm going to plate these. I'm going to turn this off because they are ready. They look really good. Yeah, they need to come off fast. Gonna take but a minute. One more. Alrighty. And they are done. All done. Now we're going to try one. Oh. Delicious. And Cheeto, Chipotle, ones are my favorite. My opinion, I tried both of them, and my opinion is they're both very good. I was blown away by how they tasted. I did not expect it. Crispy. The original one was good. The spicy one was also good. For kids, the original one would probably be better because it's not as much, but the spicy one did have a better flavor. But they were amazing. I'm glad. My favorite was the spicy one. With that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.